Here is how to book a private tour. Go to the Walk-in Tours section. Here, select the tour you'd like to book and click on it. On the next page, scroll down to the Private Tour section and click Book a private tour. Select the group size that matches the number of people in your party. Please note that only one group can be booked at a time. Next, choose your preferred date and time, then click Checkout. Enter your contact details and click Continue. Review your reservation details carefully and make sure everything is correct. Finally, enter payment information and complete the booking. That's it, your private tour is booked and we'll see you soon.